Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Bitcoin through peer-to-peer trading, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase cryptocurrency directly from other individuals. Step 1. Choose a reputable P2P platform such as Local Bitcoins, Paxful, BISC, or Binance. P2P that connects buyers and sellers, provides escrow services to protect both parties, and offers dispute resolution if problems arise. Step 2. Create an account on your chosen platform by providing your email, creating a secure password, and enabling two-factor authentication. Complete any required identity verification based on the platform's requirements and your trading limits. Step 3. Browse available Bitcoin sellers by filtering offers based on payment method, price, location, and minimum or maximum purchase amounts. Review seller ratings, completion rates, and feedback from previous buyers. Step 4. Select a seller with good reputation and competitive pricing. Check how long they've been active on the platform, their number of completed trades, and read recent reviews to assess reliability. Step 5. Initiate a trade by clicking on the seller's offer and entering the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Review the seller's terms and conditions carefully, including payment time limits and specific instructions. Step 6. Send payment to the seller using the agreed-upon method, following their instructions exactly. Common payment options include bank transfer, cash deposit, mobile payment apps, or in-person cash meetings for local trades. Step 7. Confirm payment in the platform and upload any required proof, such as transaction receipts or screenshots. The Bitcoin is held in escrow by the platform to ensure the seller releases it once payment is verified. Step 8. Communicate with the seller through the platform's chat system if needed for clarifications. Once the seller confirms receipt of payment, they'll release the Bitcoin to your platform wallet, where you can withdraw it to your personal wallet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.